Are you looking to create icons and logos with the help of AI? Our icon and logo prompt builder is designed to help you craft a variety of eye-catching designs perfect for professional branding, websites, social media, or personal projects. Our user-friendly, spreadsheet-based tool makes it easy to generate all kinds of icons and logos, whether you're new to AI design or a seasoned creator. Let's see what it can do.
Welcome, digital artists! I'm Galia from AI Creative Tools, and today we're going to explore the icon and logo prompt builder. Here's what we'll cover.
First, we'll explore the types of images this prompt builder is designed to create. Next, we'll take a look at different AI tools like Midjourney, Dall-E, Ideogram, Leonardo, and Flux that can help you create stunning icons and logos, along with their unique strengths and limitations. After that, we'll explore the icon and logo prompt builder's architecture, walk through all the available dropdowns, and share some practical tips to help you get the most out of it. Once we've covered the theory, we'll jump into a hands-on workshop where we'll create a collection of digital planner stickers and an elegant logo together. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be ready to unlock the full potential of our prompt builder and take your creative projects to the next level. Each of our prompt builders is designed with a specific theme in mind, reflected in the selection of styles, objects, colors, and other details available in the drop-down lists. Let's see what types of digital products you can create with our icon and logo prompt builder. For icons, you can design everything from flat and line styles to 3D icons, perfect for digital planner stickers, social media graphics, apps, or websites. When it comes to logos, the possibilities are vast. From clean vector designs, elegant pictorial logos, emblems, monograms, typography-based logos, or even mascot logos, pick what's ideal for branding and marketing materials. But that's not all. You can also create emojis and Twitch emotes to spice up your social media chats or gaming projects. The icon and logo prompt builder also supports cartoon avatars, but please keep in mind that customization options here are somewhat limited. This is where our character's prompt builder shines. As a bonus, you can design ordinary clip art and stickers for more detailed designs, or if these are your formats of choice. Don't forget to explore the option to create sets of images. While Midjourney isn't the strongest at generating diverse sets, it's excellent for producing variations of the same object. This approach also tends to result in more minimalistic designs compared to single image outputs, as Midjourney naturally leans toward adding detail. Now, let's explore how different AI tools handle the task of creating icons and logos. Take a look at the images on the screen to see how each tool performs and form your own impressions. While Midjourney is a solid choice for icons, planner stickers, and avatars, we strongly recommend experimenting beyond Midjourney, as Dall-E, Ideogram, Flux, and Leonardo excel in their own niches and can often surpass Midjourney in specific areas. Here's a quick breakdown of each tool's strengths. Ideogram excels at creating elegant and coherent logos. We primarily use the design model, but feel free to experiment with others. It's also great for line icons, minimalist icons, and sets of diverse elements. Just be sure to specify each object for the best results. For example, clock, calendar, dumbbells, washing machine. Dall-E is ideal for emojis, chibi Twitch emotes, and cartoon-style logos. Flux Pro 1.1 version performs well for avatars, logos, and icons. However, we don't recommend Pro 1.1 version Ultra, as it can produce distorted or glitchy outputs. Leonardo's Phoenix model delivers the best results, though the graphic design and illustrative albedo models are also effective. It's a great choice for logos, emojis, and diverse icon sets. When it comes to typography logos, we recommend using Ideogram, Flux, Leonardo, and Dall-E in that order of priority. For non-Midjourney AI tools, make sure to use the Enhance with ChatGPT button to generate more detailed and optimized prompts, ensuring better results. Let's take a closer look at how the icon and logo prompt builder is structured and how you can make the most of its features. The tool is organized into 4 main sections: format, design, color and style, and Midjourney parameters, with some drop-downs available exclusively to pro users. Every choice you make in these sections dynamically updates your final prompt, which starts with icon as the default digital product type. The main style and digital product drop-downs are the backbone of your design process. To help you make informed choices, we've included them into the visual examples sheet. This resource showcases sample outputs for every digital product type and main style, along with the simple prompts used to generate them. These examples are designed to demonstrate how specific formats and styles influence the final result. You'll find 20 digital product options and 39 main styles to choose from, with cartoon styles particularly suited for avatars. The design section offers flexibility depending on your creative goals. If you're designing something precise, like dumbbells for a planner sticker, you can select it from the Object drop-down, or type it into the custom text field. Combining both options is also possible, with your custom input taking precedence. The Object drop-down is packed with simple, icon-friendly symbols. From there, you can add details, such as environments, shapes, views, or emotions, if needed. Pro users can enable multiple select mode to choose several options from the same drop-down. Finally, pick a clean background and, if desired, a theme to adjust the overall aesthetic. Another example. If you'd rather let the AI decide which object to draw, simply select a theme. Adding a background is always a good practice. The text section is intuitive. Enter your text in the custom field and adjust its placement and appearance using the text features drop-down. For designs heavily reliant on typography, we suggest exploring other AI tools beyond Midjourney to achieve optimal results. In the color and style section, you can select a color from the drop-down or type your own into the blank field. Both options can be combined. The color drop-down offers a range of choices, from basic colors and light models to sophisticated palettes and harmonized mood boards. While the main style is set in the format section, you can fine-tune it further with the additional style drop-down, which includes various artistic styles. The visual examples sheet provides illustrations of these styles for reference as well. The Style Details drop-down lets you add subtle touches like outlines or symmetry, while the blank field below it allows you to include any extra details related to your object, text, theme, or other elements. Basic version users can add style details directly to this field if needed. The Midjourney parameters section is specifically for Midjourney users. It's straightforward. Switch between Midjourney versions, adjust the aspect ratio, or control the level of detail using the stylized values. You can also include terms for negative prompting. For simpler designs, consider lowering the stylized value below the default 100. Another tip worth exploring in the logo design space: experiment with earlier Midjourney versions. Some of you may know that we offer a logo prompt ebook in our shop, created back in 2023 when Midjourney version 5.2 was the latest version. Since then, multiple updates have improved image quality in various areas, but not necessarily for logos. In my experience, while older versions struggled with proper text rendering, their logo aesthetics were often simpler, cleaner, and more logo-like. So if you're working on logo designs and you're limited to Midjourney only, try out earlier versions. You might be pleasantly surprised by the results. Pro users gain access to additional customization features, such as fields for image, character, and style references, which are particularly useful for Discord users. On the official Midjourney website, you can drag and drop images directly into the prompt field, eliminating the need for these custom fields. Pro users also have dedicated cells for custom parameters, enabling you to define specific aspect ratios, chaos levels, repetition counts, personalization or mood board codes, and more. Additionally, you can type in complex negative prompts to exclude unwanted elements. For more detailed guidance on using Midjourney's parameters, check out our Midjourney Starting Guide, Prompt Builder Basics, and Pro Features guides available on our website. Welcome to our workshop. First, we'll create a collection of digital planner stickers. And when I'm talking stickers, I will not use stickers as my digital product type, because stickers will create a white outline around my image, and I don't want that, because all these outlines will be a little bit different between images, and I want to have a collection. That means that I want to have perfectly crisp, perfectly same outlines around each of my designs. So sticker is not my option. But what is important and what I will focus on? First of all, if we're talking about collection, we should follow the same style and the same color palette. Digital product type is related to style, as flat icon, line icon, and 3D icon. These are all different styles. Let's use flat icon for our experiment. Main style also relates to style, which is quite obvious. Let's try doodles. Then let's go to the color palette. I've experimented a bit already, and I've chosen this old label mood board. It looks nice. As you see, it added several colors, and it's better to use several colors, and you should very precisely name them. For example, sepia brown is better than just brown. Faded teal is also better than just teal. Okay, now let's add a background. As always, I want my images to be on crisp background. We are creating a digital planner sticker, so let's add this style detail. Once again, it's element, not sticker, because I don't want this outline. And as for the object, we'll work with these home symbols. Let's start with a coffee cup. Maybe let's make it cute. So something like that for a beginning. Go into Midjourney, adding the prompt, and let's see what we've got, because most probably we will have to make some manual additions or changes to this prompt in the builder. I already see that we have not white background, the background is white, but still our icon is on the badge. Not in this case, but in all the other cases. That means that I have to change it in the prompt. I don't want to keep these stains on the background, as they will be very different among the images we'll make. If you want to have such an effect in your collection, I'd recommend creating a stain separately and then add it manually in Canva to all your stickers. What I do here is I'm adding a negative parameter, no badge behind the design. It will not work 100%, but it will anyway improve our outputs. What I also see here, while these other images are being created, is that we have these outlines and they are different, and maybe I want to have the same outline, so let's add it manually to the prompt. These are browns. I think that I'm missing something neutral here, maybe something like dark gray. But as you see, we have only one image on this kind of badge, and this has not very clean background, but two are already a success in terms of what we want. Okay, let's add an outline to the prompt. I will add it right here. Dark gray, thick outline. That's what I want. One more try. After that, we will use the same prompt, but with other objects, just to get a variety of things that we're going to create. These I don't actually like a lot. Also, I don't see this dark gray. Dark gray thick outline. There is. Okay. It doesn't listen to me. It happens. AI sometimes does it. Okay, let's rerun this several times. Maybe it will work better. And in the meantime, let's use the same prompt for different objects. Dumbbells, grocery cart, plant pot, suitcase, why not? And maybe just to have another cup, let's use tea mug. Okay, these are already in more or less the same style. I like the dumbbells most. and they are so not like cards. Okay, let's try cards again. This I like. This is actually what I was aiming for. This maybe, something like that. These no. But this is what I'm aiming for. Let's rerun these as well. These are a little bit too flat. Maybe it's not a problem. And these are a little bit too 3D. Let's try to rerun. Maybe to this prompt I'd add profile view. I can add it via the builder, but as it's a small change, I will make it manual. This card is actually the one I like, but I don't like this background. This is nice. This is nice. Doodle style, indeed. This suitcase is nice. Okay, our next step is creating a bulk prompt. Let's get back to the builder. Let's turn on the bulk prompting mode. Enhance with ChatGPT is not working in this mode, it's correct. Then we will add various objects. Coffee cup, actually the same objects that we used in our examples and in our experiments. Dumbbells, what else we've got? Grocery cart, plant pot, and the suitcase. Okay, that's it. As you see, this mode allows us to add several objects within these curly braces, and this commands Midjourney to create several prompts from this single prompt. Now let's get back to Midjourney. What we will do is we add the images we like as references here. This is fine. And what we also want to have is we want to have similarity between these images. So I think that this and these are not similar enough, but this and this are a little bit more similar. It's a little bit distressed, this design. It's not just as flat as this one. I also like these dumbbells. These tea mugs actually are very nice. I'd like to see this one. It's a little bit too dark, the outline. Yes, I know, maybe I change it actually. I don't like the cards so much. I'll rerun it. Okay, once again copying the prompt. Let's hope that our card will be nice this time. Oh yes, I like this one. This is perfect. Then the suitcase, the plant pot. You know, it's not actually necessary to experiment with the same objects that you use here. It's not 100% necessary, but it's a good experience. Okay, this one, then maybe let's add another dumbbell. It looks perfect. I also like this cup, but it's a little bit too dark. Maybe this one. Okay, we have enough of reference images, and I'd say that they are alike. As you see, it produced many prompts, as I promised. And if you still are getting this dirty background, it's not a problem, because you can always remove it in Canva just with a single click. As you see now, we have much more cohesive images, because we have a good style reference, which is cohesive. We have the same prompt, which we used for creating these reference images, and that's why we are getting very, very similar images. Still, we have only one suitcase which fits us, but it doesn't actually matter. And the backgrounds are all crisp and white. This is perfect. But if you have, I would say that this is already a nice collection. You can rerun some prompts to get better results, but I will also show you the next step. So if you're having something like that, yes, dirty background, let's use this one. This is worse. I'll download this image. Now I've put it to Canva. What I'm going to do here is selecting this image, and I'm removing the background. As you see, we can change backgrounds, and the background of this card is truly transparent. What I'd like to show you here as well, that you can add this sticker outline manually. If you go to Edit, then you go to Shadows, then you go to Outline, and you change the outline color to white, and then you just make it thicker.
As you see, the image is not changing, but the outline is being added. So your task is to do the same thing with all the images you've produced and just increase the thickness of this line and to use the same thickness with each image. And this outline is perfect. It's same between all images and it gives you a sticker-like look if you need it.
And here's how our collection looks like in the end.
Now let's create an elegant logo. First, let's pick up the logo type. Flat logo is fine. It will be jewelry brand. Let's add manually the theme. Fine jewelry. Now it appears right here on the list. The brand name will be Aurelia. And I should also tell you that it does matter if you spell it lowercase, uppercase, title case. AI sees it and tries to fit your needs. It should be simple and minimalistic. The object, I don't remember if I have something like this in the list, so I'll just add it here. Diamond symbol, it's fine. Among flowers, to add some details. Background, I always pick some background depending on my needs. The text should be thin. The colors should be metallic, why not? It's a jewelry brand. And additional style, Art Deco. I'm not sure if it works or not, this Art Deco, because the prompt is already very long, but it doesn't actually matter. Let's try what we have here. And at the same time, while this prompt is running, let's try and enhance the ChatGPT prompt. It doesn't always produce better results, but anyway, it's worth trying. I would say that these are nice. Maybe I don't like too many colors here, which I might add to the prompt, but this one is really elegant and it's actually nice. ChatGPT also did a nice job here. As you see, these are much more monochrome colors, which is more luxurious. I think that it works better. And now let's see how the same ChatGPT prompt works with other AI.
Now you're ready to start crafting amazing prompts with Icon and Logo Prompt Builder, as well as stunning designs from these prompts. Best of luck for you with all your digital masterpieces. Let your creativity take flight.
Check the video description for links to our website, Etsy shop, and other useful resources. Thank you for watching.